Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. This is our English literature lecture number 2 today, and this is our last chapter 9, which has 3 parts, basically part 1, 2 and 3. Chapter name is Tom Thumb, and in this story, as you know, there is a boy Tom who was very small and tiny. He was the son of a woodcutter. And when you will read the story, you will get to know that woodcutter and his wife wished for a child. So they didn't have a child, so they wished for a child. So when they got the child, he was just as the size of a thumb. So that why the boy was named as Tom Thumb. But no doubt he was very small, but he was very clever and sharp, and he was very genius, you can say. So today you will do question answers and words and tenses we are going to do. So let's start. Our question number 1 is, write down the character sketch of Tom Thumb. For this you have to come to readers page number 34, and on this page you will get the character sketch of Tom Thumb. When you will read it, you will clearly get to know that these are the qualities of Tom Thumb, or what kind of person he was he clever or not, whatever. So question 2 is, why was Tom named as Tom Thumb? Again you have to come to readers page 34, and you will get the points that he was very small and he was tiny. He is not bigger than Thumb, so that's why he was named Tom Thumb. But he was very sharp, his eyes were very sharp, and he noticed the things very clearly. No doubt he was small and tiny in size, but he was clever. So your question number 3 is, how Tom Thumb managed to escape from the stomach of the cow. For this you have to come to readers page 41, and on this page you will when you will read the paragraph, lines from line 5 to 15, there is answer of this question. When you will get to know this, that when the farmer saw the cow, and when he heard the voice in cow's stomach, he was very frightened, and he just thought that there is a witch who put a spell on the animal. So he said that I must kill it. So he killed the cow and he threw the stomach out in a ditch. In this way Tom managed to escape from the stomach of the cow. Now question number 4 is, that is your last question, moral of the story. What is the moral of the story? So when you will read it, after reading complete lesson 3 parts, you will get to know that no doubt, no matter how small or giant you are in size, but if you use your mind and face challenges of life courageously, no one can harm you, no one can beat you. Same as you have read in the lesson Tom Thumb, that he was very small and tiny, that most of the people couldn't see him, but he was clever. He tried to manage all the challenges in his life very courageously and very bravely, and at the end he was safe again. Now after these 4 questions we will do word sentences. There are 5 words for sentences. First one is cart, second is barn, third is hay, fourth is sold, and the last one, fifth, is thieves. You will make sentences of these following words, and then in this case your last lesson of English literature will be over. Your language syllabus is already over and we have completed it, and this is again your English literature syllabus will be over. And in the next video I will tell you how to write down a good summary. In fact we have done in the class already, and I have told you some points for summary writing, but again in the next video I will tell you some points which will help you to write down a very good and effective summary, as you have done the summary of previous lesson, The Robber's Bridegroom, and obviously you will do of this also. So now you will write the summary of Tom Thumb in your notebooks, and after this your literature syllabus will be over.